Are you confused about which olive oil to choose from the overwhelming variety on the market? Do you want to know the secret to picking the best quality olive oil? Have you ever tasted different types of olive oil and wondered how to choose the one that's right for you? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to choose the best olive oil. Olive oil is one of the most popular and healthy oils out there, and there are many options available on the market. So how do you know which one to choose? First of all, you need to understand that not all olive oils are created equal. There are different grades of olive oil, and the highest quality is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is made from pure, cold-pressed olives, whereas lower-grade olive oils are made using heat or chemicals. This means that extra virgin olive oil has a stronger flavor, a higher nutritional value, and is less processed. When you're buying olive oil, make sure to look for the words extra virgin on the label. This will ensure that you're getting the best quality olive oil. Next, you need to consider the type of olive oil. There are many different types of olive oil available, including blends, single varietal, and regional olive oils. Each type has a unique flavor profile, so it's important to choose one that suits your taste buds. If you're new to olive oil, we recommend starting with a blend, which is a mixture of different types of olives and has a more balanced flavor. When you're choosing olive oil, it's also important to taste it. Many stores offer tasting samples, so take advantage of this and try a few different types of olive oil to find the one that you like the most. Finally, consider the intended use of the olive oil. If you're using it for cooking, you may want a mild-tasting olive oil that won't overpower the other flavors in your dish. If you're using it for drizzling on salads or dipping bread, you may want a more flavorful olive oil. So, to summarize, when you're choosing the best olive oil, look for extra virgin olive oil, consider the type, taste it, and think about the intended use. Thanks for watching our video on how to choose the best olive oil. We hope you find this information helpful. If you have any other tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. See you next time. Ready for more exciting content? Click on the links in the description. Or click that button, and let's dive into the next adventure together. I can't wait to see you there.